The video we just watched is a stylish split screen video created by VideoProc Flagger. In this tutorial, we're going to share with you some editing tricks and tips we used for creating that video. Okay, let's get started. Adding a moving text background is a common used editing technique to make our video look stylish. Let's open up VideoProc Flagger. Import the footage we need. Here I use an orange clip. Add it to VideoTrack. It will be the background color. Then we import the video footage to Media Library. Drag it onto Overlay track. Adjust its size to make it appear in the center. Then let's create the text for the background. First, let's choose the titles located on the top left. Choose the loved preset. Here I select Title 6. Drag it to the blank area on the latter part. Click on Edit Text to edit the style of the text. Change the border color to white. Then adjust its scaling size to make the text clip fit the entire screen. Hit Apply to get back to the main interface. After that, use this button which is located on the top to make a snapshot for the current frame. Then we re-import the video to Media Library to add 2 new overlay tracks. Drag and drop the snapshot clip onto the overlay track in between the tracks of the video and a solid color background. Choose Screen as a blend mode. Afterwards, let's continue to add a motion effect for the text. Hit Motion to enter the motion editor. Add 2 keyframes at the start and the end of the timeline. Adjust the cropping box to make the text move from left to right, like this. Hit Apply to go back to the main interface. Copy the text and paste it onto another overlay track. Then adjust the size and position of this clip to make this clip appear on both the up and the down part. That's how we create a text background. After that, we can use a solid color track to add some extra visual elements for making the video look better. We can see the pinwheel effect in the latter of this video. To make this, we need to prepare 2 solid color clips. Add them to VideoProc Flagger, then drag it onto VideoTrack. Rearrange them in order. Find the pinwheel effect on the transition section. Add it in between these 2 clips. Drag the ends of the transition effect to increase its duration. After that, we add a solid color clip to overlay track. And go to Fade and Move section to add a fade-in effect. Last, we add the needed video footage. That's how we add a pinwheel transition. We've learned how to make a text background in the last example. Now we can add a text background to this video for enriching the details. That's all about today's editing tricks for making a split screen video that looks stylish. If you want to know more editing tricks with VideoProc Flagger, be sure to click the subscribe button to subscribe. See you in our next editing tutorial. Hope you enjoy. Bye.